Okay, let's. Oh, there's nothing in there. Teamwork. Nailed it.
That's gonna how you're gonna have to sit.
I can drive back. He loves doing this stuff though, he just doesn't know it yet. This is a chair. Melissa? Is that you?
You see anyone coming?
I see nothing but our stupidity. Looks good. Looks good.
We're back. Back at Sephora.
Pizza! Yay!
They're about the kids.
And they're both boys!
Ralph and I are at the zoo. This one's definitely the chill one over there. Here's Ralph taking pictures of wildlife that isn't in an exhibit.
That's so cute, dude.
Oh, it's brown bird, it's brown bird, it's brown bird.
Look at this man. He's so chill. There.
Hey.
Look at you. What an outfit.
Oh, thanks. Wait.
Now you're ready for the scene.
I'm ready.
Let's go. Smile. George is suiting up. Freaking Roman arch. He's getting serious. He's got the map.
There. Where was the little gate?
Yeah, where was that little gate?
Oh, wait, we were just here. We just saw that.
There's
guy.
that gate.
Okay, so we're here.
Wow.
No, we're not. That's not right. We're here.
Wow. We went the wrong way.
Yeah,
We're lost. It's that time of the year. First sip. I like it. Bye-bye. Look at the little headband. 10 out of 10.
Oh, this one matches the coffee stain.
It's Barnes & Noble. I'm looking for the JJK box set and I don't see it. We have all the singles. I'm so confused. Another Barnes & Noble. So I'm in the Barnes & Noble in Yonkers and I'm gonna pick up the box set. Hello, I had a pickup for Peter. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too.
I just got back from Barnes & Noble and so this box set comes with volumes 1 through 4 of Jujutsu Kaisen. It also comes with a little exclusive poster. I like all the box art. It looks pretty nice. Here we go. That's it. Check it out. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. And there's 4. Nothing too crazy. Just all 4. And they slide in all nice and nice. The box feels cheaper than I was expecting, but here's the little poster. It's double-sided. There's one side, and there's the other. It's alright. In my opinion, it's very mid. It's nice that they include it though. It's golden hour. Okay, in the car.